Alright everyone, so here we are, we're back. It's been a day. It's kind of sunny out, so I'm going to try and knock this stuff off. Never really done this before. I did look at a few videos that take like a rasp and take some of this stuff down. I don't know if I super feel comfortable with that. I don't know how much like paint I'd take off. You know what? I'm not sure how easily this stuff will sand. I do have a sander. I don't even know if you can use these. I've seen like orbital sanders on YouTube videos and stuff. But I think we're gonna try this and see how well it does on this build up here. I'm just gonna try and take some of the stuff off here real quick and see how this works. I got coarse 60 grit sandpaper here. So I'm just gonna try and take this. This is pretty thick right here. I think I got enough Bondo to fill the holes, make it look kind of smooth. So we're gonna give this a shot here. Let's just see what this does to it. How quickly it like takes it off, because I don't even know. So probably shouldn't breathe this stuff, I'm just thinking. But it took it out kind of quick, so I'm not going to worry about the rasp. I'm going to go ahead and just use this coarse grit. I'm just keep hitting it with this. I'm going to try to work all this out here. It's kind of a flat panel here, so it should be pretty easy if I just run it along here. Keep it with the grain or whatever the car, and there's no real crazy dent, so I should just be able to go kind of crazy with this block sander and just hit all the stuff down. And so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get a mask and then I'll be back and I'll show me just sanding it. I'll be back.